Sorry for the interruption. The software just let us record 10 minutes of screen, so we will move on with the point 4. What other types of traditional media and social media could Domino's have used to reach its stakeholders?
Well, I think they could also give their message by traditional medias, news, TV news, or maybe newsletter, magazine articles. I think that because uh, even that we are on the social media age, there are some elder people or some people that just don't have access to these social medias, Facebook, Twitter, or something like that. That's why I think that maybe they could use some traditional uh, media as well as just to reach uh, other people.
I agree with you. Milton, what do you think?
Actually, I think that they um,
Se colgó.
Milton, are you still alive?
Milton.
Come back.
Oh, it's not a problem. Maybe I can tell my point of view. I was thinking about using Facebook and Twitter also, and also some traditional advertising in the restaurants, and also maybe billboards with some, I don't know, funny phrase or something like that. Um, I think while Milton is coming back, we can make uh, we can stop. Okay, we're back. Our partner had some technical issues, so we will move to the question 5. What other challenges do you think that PR practitioners, marketers, or corporate communicators could have in telling the truth in the digital age?
Well, I think that maybe using the bad words or bad expressions could end up exposing themselves or the organization to legal action. So they have to take care with every word and every action they do in this social media when everything could be misunderstood and maybe legal actions can be taken for the organization. That's what I think.
I,
That's their challenge.
I think exactly the same that you. Actually, you couldn't have said it better than me. Milton, what do you think? He's frozen again?
one
And
biggest challenge is transparency. In the current era, it is more important for a client to feel that he is treated with dignity and that he gets a fair service for what he's paying.
Transparency is
it's a very important deal.
yeah.
Uh, so the sixth question is: how important is speed of response rate in a digital world, particularly when an organization is facing a crisis situation?
Well, it is very important because, as the case study said, Domino's spent one day giving their answer. So um, that time caused speculations or bad interpretations. The people could think that Domino's could be responsible for the actions of two people, but that wasn't like that. Just a slow response can be misunderstood.
Okay, I think responsiveness has a more real value. Taking into account that content can be viralized almost immediately. And the way to control crisis is responding in a timely manner to face the situation.
Yes, I also think that that speed of response is the most important thing in a crisis situation. If the company doesn't respond fast to the crisis, the information will be spread and will become viral, and the customers, as what happened to Domino's, the customer will start complaining, looking for an answer of the company.
Yeah, that's correct.
The seventh and last point of this meeting is: are there any other conclusions you can draw from this incident?
Mm, and I believe it is also necessary that the company Domino's can make a better filters of its people. Also make people accountable to have better results.
Yes, yes, I agree with you.
Okay, well, these social media and live communications are just growing so fast, and organizations need to keep on improving their strategies and having maybe some community managers and people monitoring all those social media so they can react better and faster when things like this happens. That's what I think. Maybe um, to increase the monitoring and controlling.
I was actually thinking about the same. Like technology is growing really fast, and companies must adapt to that growth. Also in communications, so companies has to, well, managers have to assign enough resources for these matters, and they should recognize the importance of growing social media accounts and should take this growth as an opportunity to leverage growth. So
Yeah.
I think this is the wrap up of our meeting. We answered all the 7 questions. So thank you guys for coming today. Uh,
Thank you.
have a really good night. Okay,
Thank you. You too.
bye.